Hello and welcome. In today's session, our learning outcome is to understand the need for social media content planning and publishing in a business environment. We'll explore how businesses can effectively use social media to engage their audience, integrate with their website, and thrive in today's digital world. Identify your target audience by considering demographics like age and gender. Dive deeper into psychographics to understand values and interests. Monitor feedback to see what resonates with your audience. Tailor content to platform specifics, acknowledging different preferences. Adjust strategies to fit the strengths of each platform. Create a balanced content mix with informational updates and tutorials. Engage audiences with entertaining and potentially viral content. Inspire with motivational quotes and success stories. Use interactive elements like polls and quizzes to foster engagement. Maintain consistency in posting schedules and brand messaging. Focus on content that encourages interaction through comments and shares. Respond promptly to build community and loyalty. Use high-quality visuals to boost engagement rates. Ensure mobile optimization for all visuals. Visuals are crucial given the mobile-centric nature of social media. Audiences value genuine content over overt promotions. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses and employee stories. Define clear calls to action for desired audience actions. CTAs should be clear, but not aggressive. Authenticity fosters trust and deeper connections with audiences. Track key performance indicators like engagement and conversion rates. Use analytics to refine content strategies. Stay updated with social media trends and platform changes. Adapt strategies to remain effective in a dynamic environment. Flexibility is key to maintaining a successful social media presence. Be mindful of sharing sensitive or controversial topics. Ensure compliance with platform guidelines and terms of service. Collaborate with influencers to expand reach and diversify content. Explore various content formats to keep feeds dynamic. Use SEO and hashtags to boost discoverability. Social media can drive traffic to a company's website. Share engaging content to attract followers to your site. Use website links to encourage social media engagement. Consistent branding across platforms reinforces trust. Balance between detailed website content and dynamic social media posts. Company websites offer comprehensive information on products and services. Social media provides engaging, bite-sized content. Social platforms are ideal for real-time interaction and community building. Websites focus more on providing detailed information. Both platforms serve unique roles in the customer journey. SEO enhances a website's visibility on search engines. Social media platforms have unique algorithms for content visibility. Use hashtags and optimal posting times for better reach. Social media content has a shorter lifespan compared to website content. Both platforms require distinct strategies for discoverability. Social media acts as a touch point to drive users to the main website. The primary sales funnel often resides on the company website. Both platforms can drive sales, but their roles differ. Social media is more about engagement and referrals. Websites focus on conversions and detailed user actions. Website analytics focus on user behavior and conversion rates. Social media analytics measure engagement and reach. Brands must adapt to platform changes and new features. Websites require regular updates for freshness and SEO. Adaptability is crucial for both platforms' success. Define the purpose and goals of your online community. Choose the right platform based on your audience. Establish clear guidelines to maintain a respectful environment. Encourage engagement through discussions and activities. Highlight active members to foster a sense of belonging. Share exclusive content and insights with your community. Organize webinars and workshops for deeper engagement. Foster inclusivity and address any signs of exclusion. Regularly seek feedback to improve community offerings. Acknowledge member contributions to enhance community value. Use multiple channels to draw attention to your community. Collaborate with partners to extend reach. Adapt to new trends and tools to meet member needs. Reward loyalty with recognition systems like badges. Offer exclusive deals for highly engaged members. Utilize analytics tools to understand member behavior. Explore plugins to enhance community features. Regular participation from leaders motivates members. Show the human aspect behind the community. Active leadership reflects in community engagement. Address conflicts swiftly to prevent escalation. Ensure decisions align with community guidelines. Protect member data and respect privacy concerns. Clearly communicate data usage rights to members. Security and transparency build trust within the community. In conclusion, successful social media strategies combine careful planning with active engagement. By truly understanding your audience and using analytics to guide decisions, businesses can grow and thrive. Maintaining a consistent and cohesive presence across platforms is key to driving lasting success. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your time.